Today, let's take a look at how we weld a foldable stacking rack frame using an automatic welding robot. First, our team places the pre-cut square tubes into their fixed positions. Every tube is aligned accurately to make sure the frame is perfectly shaped. Once everything is set, the robotic welding arm begins its work. The arm scans the positions and locks onto the welding points. It delivers smooth, precise, and consistent welds, compared to manual welding. Each weld is clean, firm, and built to last. This guarantees that every foldable rack frame meets our quality standards. Strong, reliable, built with precision.